research is still ongoing and there are more questions than answers. Hence our hypothesis, contraceptives containing estrogens promote hair growth. So with the first 4 weeks we used shampoo without the pills, and then the next 4 weeks we used shampoos with the pills. I'm gonna demonstrate at the moment what we did with what we did on each other's head. On every Wednesday we would measure, and this is how we measured. Elizabeth, could you turn a little? Thank you. So we would take off our clip. We would get 3 measurements. We would divide our hair. And from the root, as you can see, we would pull one perfect hair. So I'm gonna pull one perfect hair. It might hurt a little. So here we go. Here's our perfect hair we got from the root. And we would do 3 to 4 of these and get the measurement immediately. We measured our hair. After pulling your hair, as you can see, we got some tape. You cut some tape down. And you would get the tape from the tip and put this. You would get your ruler. And you put it on the tip of your ruler so you can measure your hair. You would make sure your hair touches the very tip. And as you can see, we have 3 other hairs already demonstrated for you guys. So they keep on going down. This one's a little shorter than the rest. And that's how we would get the length of our hair growth from the week. And I could get another tape so you can see exactly where it lands. Whoops. It's sometimes tricky because it snaps back at you. And you do that for the other 3. You spread them out. Oops. And the last one. And this is how we measured our hair every week to see the hair growth. So as you can see here, we calculated the 4 strands of hair. The first strand was 15 inches, the second strand was 14.5, the third was 14.34, and the fourth strand of hair was 14 inches. After you've done this, you total up the number of strands in total. So we already have done this for you. So it's 58 and 1/4. And once you get that number, you divide it by 4. And you do the calculation, which we already did for you. And it's 14.6 inches long. The number you see right here, the 14.6, is the average of the 4 strands. These are the 2 graphs. The first one, the data, is the blue, which use no pills, without the pills. And the pink one is with the pills. And we are going to chart what we got, the 14.6, and this is how we chart. And you would do the same thing for the following weeks. This week where we did the data, when we drawed it down, that is the controlled group, and that is the one we did not use the birth control pills. And the other one in this chart is the experimental group, where we added the birth control pills to see if our hair would grow. So this is our data without the pills, and this is the control group. As you can see, this is all of our teammates' names, well, initials on the bottom, and these are the inches that they grew, and through the 4 different weeks that we did, the average of them. And as you can see, Marilyn Asensio is the